All right, we need to finish our hoops off when we're done our patterns. Isn't that cute? And yes, this is an oval hoop, which you can get. They're a little hard to find, but this one I got at a quilt shop, or you can order them online, just for FYI. So what you want to do when you're finished here is we're going to flip this over, and you're going to take your fabric scissors, and then you're going to cut this excess off, almost like you're trimming a pie. And you kind of want to, you don't want to leave, I'll show you here. So if I cut that much, and just make sure it's gonna, right, you want to fold it over the edge there. You don't want to leave too much, otherwise you'll be able to see it from the front. So we're just gonna cut all the way around here, nice and easy. And you can trim up if you have any. Get rid of that, any excess here, and you just go all the way around. All right, there we go, and there's your fabric there. And just make sure that you're not going to have too much that's going to touch this fabric to see from the front. That looks pretty good. So I'd say this would be probably about, I don't know, 1/4 inch or so would probably do the trick. All right, so this is what we're going to use. And I have used glue before, and it works just fine, Gorilla Glue, but it is messy and it's a bit tricky because you don't want to get any on your fabric. So we're going to use double-sided tape. And this will come in your kits. You'll get some of this double-sided tape. It's just like this. It's very thin, which works really well. And so I've got this side isn't sticky, and of course the one to my finger is. So what we'll do is really start anywhere on your hoop, and at the edge, see? You really just press it down. And this is really inexpensive double-sided tape, but it works really well. So, okay, see how that's coming on the edge of your hoop? And we'll just go all the way around, like so. Oh, also, I forgot to mention at the beginning, make sure that everything is nice and tight in your hoop before you cut it. Because sometimes if it gets too short, you don't have enough to pull it tight. So make sure it is tight. There. And I'm back to the beginning. And see if I can just, nope, and then you just pop it off with your fingers. There we go. Okay, so then when you can find the edge here, there we go. Oh, maybe not. There, this will be the hardest part, is finding the edge of your double-sided tape. There. And pull. Like that. And just stick that down, and then you literally just go around nice and tight and fold it over. Like so and like so. There, it's done. And turn it over and voila, nice and neat. And you're ready to hang your creation.